Hey folks, it's Jacob from Chris Smith's office again, and today we're checking out 4802 Magazine Street, Unit 3. It's an exquisite unit with a lot of historic antique features right off Magazine, so we're around the corner from Towel's Hummus. It's really something you gotta see, so let's get over there and check it out. Alright folks, today we're taking a look at 4802 Magazine Street. And this is Unit 3. So it's right in there, but first I want to show you this location. That's Magazine Street right here. We're next door to Towel's Hummus. We've got Surrey's right over there. Really everything you could want on Magazine right in walking distance. So I wanted to show that first. We got this gorgeous live oak as well. So I'm going to bring you through the unit. We've got a gated courtyard right here, and this door locks behind me, of course, for added security. Got one palm tree. So here's the front door to Unit 3, and this is the one we have listed right now. It's rare for units to come up for sale in this complex, and you can probably guess why with this location. And these gorgeous hardwood floors, a lot of antique historic features. So it's got an open concept between the kitchen, living / dining room, and we really like to see that. It's a more modern feature, and it allows the person who's cooking to not be completely separate from everyone else in the family. We can see here that we've got all these gorgeous hardwood floors and very tall ceilings. And features like that, they're just all throughout the unit. Those window over door features. Maybe I'll pop up on screen what I mean to say there because I can't think of it right now. Here's the bathroom. And then here's our master and only bedroom here. Again, with the original brick features there and wood mantle. Gorgeous. And this big walk-in closet. And this has just been exquisitely done as well. Goes all the way up there. So a smaller unit today, but really an exquisite opportunity here. Let me make sure you can see the stained glass. If you'd like to take a look or you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below or by calling Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004. Thank you, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Bye-bye.